These mini rescue videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. This page has gained almost 1.5 lakh followers. And his videos are getting millions of views. So in this video I'm gonna show exactly how to create these videos. Here is what I made in just 2 minutes.
Help us! Too much snow! Look, the giant has come to help! Yes, they're melting it!
Thank you!
We are saved!
Open ChatGPT, then click on More, then select GPTs. And search Mini Rescue Generator. Open the first one. And click on Start the Generator. ChatGPT will provide you 10 topics. Choose the one you like. For example, I choose one. ChatGPT will provide us one image prompt and one video prompt. Copy the video prompt, and head over to Flow AI. Select image, choose the aspect ratio. Paste the prompt and hit on Generate. Here is what mine came out. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt. And open Flow AI. Select frames to video. Choose the image as frame 1. Paste the prompt and hit on Generate. And that's the full workflow. Here are some other videos I had created using the same method.
Help! The kitchen is on fire!
Oh no, get the lid! Hooray! We are safe now!